Woo! Happy Vlogmas day number 9. Good job, babe.
I remember. Steve doesn't.
We are here. We're getting our photos done by Miss Katie Iredale, and we have the dog. So yeah, we are doing this, supporting small business, and I will, let's see, it's almost 3:30, so I will come back once we're done.
Steve can't think with her nails on.
I have literally decided, too long, can't do them anymore.
Nubs.
Nubs is life. That's all I gotta say. Budget friendly and the way to go. All right, we'll see you on the flip side. And we're back for the vlog. Here's Miss Katie Iredale. Dun, dun, dun. We just finished. We didn't finish. We're on to part 2. There's Husband Bear.
Hey.
So yes, best photographer ever. If you need her info, I will link it here. Oh my god. Did you get that on the camera? Alright, so we just got home from our photo shoot with Miss Katie, who we love. So we went to a really cool place in San Diego, and then we also just went to the beach as well to get a couple beach shots. So she has done our photos for 2 years now. She was the one who did our engagement photos, and obviously the one that did our wedding photos that we love so much. So this is going to probably be it for Vlogmas day 6. Oh my god, I don't even know what day it is. It's like 9 or 10 for day Vlogmas. Vlogmas day, I don't know. But tomorrow I'm planning on doing a whole vlog of supporting small businesses. So in the morning, I'm planning on going to get a coffee from my favorite coffee shop. Then I want to go to like a nursery or something. There's a couple gifts that I have here on the table that are from small businesses that I'll put tomorrow. But yeah, so tonight we supported our Miss Katie, who is a small business photographer who had a lot of stuff change during COVID, but we're so glad that we were able to support her because she is amazing. So yeah, that is going to be it for my Vlogmas. Hopefully tonight, I mean, she is usually so fast sending videos or like sneak peeks of stuff. I'll be able to put some in the video, but I'll edit this later so I can see if anything comes through. All right, you guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Thanks for watching. So nerdy. Thanks for watching. I put my outfit in here. Mr. Bear was with us too. He did so good. Okay, so my outfit is my big American Eagle teddy bear jacket. And then I have my long boots. And then my little dress or whatever I got from Nordstrom Rack for 18 bucks. However, I literally can't button the back, so it's a backless dress. But whatever, super cute, 15 bucks, can't beat it, put a jacket on, no one will know. All right guys, now the vlog's ended. I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Happy Vlogmas.